Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you step by step how you can remove a credit or debit card from Doordash. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open the Doordash application in your mobile so you can see everything. Now what you have to do is you have to tap on this your profile icon in the top right corner. Then you can see this option payment methods. Tap on it. Now you will see all the available payment methods that you added to Doordash. So I haven't added anything as you can see, but there it is. Here you will see all your payment methods. If you go to credit or debit card, here will be all the credit cards that you have added to your account. If you want to remove it, you have to hold the card. Here you have to hold it and then it comes available remove, and when you tap on remove, it will ask you for information. Hit yes and you are good to go. Unfortunately can't show you because I don't have a credit card added, but that's how you can remove it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.